Guys, never say never full. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday, all design and fashion related. I love sharing with you all my tips and tricks. If that's something you're into, please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have a fun unboxing for you. This is a bag that I, pun intended, never thought I would get again. I have had this bag before, and totes are not normally, for me, it's not something. I have sold several totes. The only tote I have now is my Dior book tote that I currently have. But the more I think about it, like with my lifestyle, things that I'm doing now is I need a bigger bag to throw things in for events. I'm doing a lot more events where I have to bring certain items to it, and it'd be great if I could just grab a big bag. And I want it to look a little bit nicer than what my book bags and things look like. I usually bring my Prada book bag to different events, and I think, you know, it's time for me to have a little bit more of a big girl bag. So when I saw this bag under current retail in like new condition from a girl from the Luxury Consignment Miami, like seriously, you need to try her because Neverfulls are very hard to get right now. And the fact that she has them under retail for really great prices, like this particular bag currently retails for right around, I believe it's $2,400, and then you have tax and everything with this. This one total for me in like new condition cost a little over $2,000 with shipping and everything. I think it was $2,030 if I'm not mistaken. And this bag is not going to have a box. It's going to come with a box. I told her, don't worry about it. I have so many boxes. I don't need a box with it. I have a lot of boxes. So this would normally come with a box and everything. However, I declined that. So let's open it up and see if I chose wisely. Here it is. Trying to get it. She has her own special tissue paper. All of her bags are always like wrapped up so nicely. And again, it would have had a box in it. I requested no box. And here is, again, wrapped impeccably. And like this is, I got it in 2-day shipping too. And here it is. So this is the Neverfull. This is the MM size. This is in the leather. And this color, I forget the name of this color, but it's like the beige tone. And I just thought this color looks so gorgeous. And I really think that a leather Neverfull bag is something that I'm gonna enjoy the most. I do notice, like from feeling this one, this is a little bit heavier than my canvas Neverfull used to be, but that's, I mean, it's leather. It's not a heavy bag at all. I'm just noticing that right off the bat. Mine has, look at this beautiful leather. It still smells good. And I love that it has, I feel like it's like a little bit more muted, but look at the bottom of this. And I feel like this will be easy to wipe off just like canvas, but doesn't it look more big girl vibes? Okay, let's open it up. And so the inside is like this micro, like suede kind of interior, which I like. And I loved this dark color because it's like a purple. And again, you have the pouch that comes with it. And you have a zipper on the back here, and that's where it has like the booklet and all that stuff that comes with it originally. Let me see if this one has tags. No, so this one must have a chip in it. So this is one of the newer bags. So this bag, I don't see any date codes on this bag. So this bag most likely is one of the newer ones that has the chip in it. So I bet this was just one of her clients got it this year and never used it because there's absolutely no wear on it whatsoever. And I got it under retail, guys. Like you really have to check some of the other resellers out. I really recommend Luxury Consignment Miami. I know we used to always do Fashion File, all those places, but now that they're super popular, they're charging way too much for their pieces. Like this bag would be probably close to $2,800 just because you can't get it on the website. And it might not be with everything. Like a lot of the times they don't even come with the pouch, the booklet, and everything, the dust bag. So this is so gorgeous. Let's try it on. Here it is on my frame. Super cute. I just really love this color. And I also have like a Louis Vuitton charm, so I might dress it up with a charm. And I also have an insert that I want to try to see if it works. I wish you could see like the carnage that is my floor right now from opening this box, because it was wrapped so well with all the tissue paper. There's like carnage everywhere. So I have an organizer I wanted to share with you that is actually meant for this one. I actually got this gifted to me. And I will put the bag organizer down below so you guys can try them out. Like this is literally beautiful organizer. It's made with like I think they call this Italian velvet, I believe. Super gorgeous. This has like a zipper, and I thought this color really matches the color of this bag a little bit. I wanted to see if it would fit in here. This is like a zipper closure, and I thought this might be a great organizer. Has a zipper here, all that stuff, to see if it fits in this one. It might not, but I figure it's worth a shot, right? Let's see, how does that look? It is a little big for it, so I might just end up buying one to match this. That's what I think I'm gonna do, because I really like this micro suede interior. It just feels so much more luxurious than having like a felt one. And their prices were pretty reasonable. I would actually buy one for this one, and I'll give you a review on that one. But look, isn't that nice? I'm not sponsored by them at all. They just gifted it to me, and I told them I would check it out. And this is for the Dior book tote. I definitely really like this organizer a lot. I love how it feels, and I love that it zips up and has the compartments. So I thought I'd share that with you and see if it fit. But what do we think, guys? I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the color. Every time it's fall, this happens to me. I want a Neverfull. I want a Neverfull in the Demi Urbaine. Like, I want it. I just feel like that is what the girls are wearing. They're having their pumpkin spice lattes. They have their Starbucks. They have their jeans. They have their flannel. They have their Neverfull. But I just feel like this color is just going to be perfect for all seasons. I feel like just throwing this on, even though this is not my favorite style bag, I feel like it's a necessity. And then now that I'm working, I can just throw everything I need in there since it's Neverfull. And I can also use it everyday handbag when I have my events, because right now I'm having them more frequently. We're getting more back to normal when it comes to that stuff. I made a zoo display and different things like that. I was working with the zoo, and I was working on a display for them. And I had my backpack with me and carrying all this stuff, but like you have lights, there's other things. I needed scissors, all that stuff. It would have been nice to have a bigger bag that I could just throw stuff in instead of carrying a box. Like I literally grabbed a box to pour all my extra stuff in. So I was carrying my bag and a box, like carrying the extra stuff, when it would have been easier just to have something bigger that I can throw all my stuff that I needed, as well as my laptop and other work things. So I will let you know what I think of this. But I can't believe I got a Neverfull. But she's so pretty. Like she's a pretty Neverfull, right? I'm no fool, right? I got a Neverfull, but this, I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I don't have any Louis Vuitton leather pieces. So this is the start of one. Maybe I'll add more. Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know what you think of this bag down below. Have you experienced it? Is there an organizer you recommend for it, a certain brand you recommend? Because I'm definitely gonna get an organizer from this brand. I think it's gonna be perfect with this bag. And as always guys, I wanna thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.